The person got depressed, everything is worse than it is. Let's say a person don't have money. No, it's Gewalt. Yesterday, a book came to me, oh, you have a gefährliche Masse. My father lost his job. After 20 years, you start crying. So I said, it's Gewalt. It's end the world. It's end the world. Then you think, oh. But when a person is, if I got from Hashem, if I got from Amina, mamish for a little thing, not going like his way, he starts getting crazy. You know, I had the yeshiva 10 years. I had stories from boys, crazy stories. A boy told me that we're going home Chalamoid. We went Chalamoid trip. And, you know, on the way the kids cries and the wife is babluzen. In the middle of the way there's traffic and there's late. And the wife starts. And the boy told me, I don't know the yeshiva, I don't know what to do. My father gives gas, 200 inside. I wish we are smashed in a hole. Stop. What's the geschehen? What happened? She over the well was my. She's a big strange. She screamed. She complains. Is what? It's a Gewalt. It's end from the world. We have good days. We're gonna have good days. No. A Mensch tut nicht verlieren der Männer. Mensch tut nicht verlieren der Männer.